Michiganders! Oh no, it's flooding! But it happens a lot here in Michigan. As you can see, floods are the worst natural threat to Michigan.
Michigan has had 16 floods from 1952 to 2016. The biggest flood that has happened was the Great Flood in 1986.
In September 10 through 15, the damage was so bad that it costed $500 million to repair it, and it killed 6 people.
River gauges help to ensure safety to the people of Michigan.
River gauges collects water and directs it to certain places.
This is a river gauge.
A levee, another technology that can ensure more safety to the people of Michigan, is a levee. A levee is a border on a river, so then it makes it so it doesn't overflow the river.
A current meter turns with the flow of the river or stream. You use a current meter to measure the velocity of water figures in the way at predetermined points. We're the Michiganders.
Vanessa.
Come on, Diamond. Thanks for watching. Peace. Cut that out.
We didn't edit it out.
We didn't. We should have.
Michigan has had
Editing time.
Good job, guys.
She check. You know I got the black and white. I'm dangerous.
I got black and white.
I'm dangerous.
Okay. Stop. Goodbye.